Okay, me, Deviram Acharya from Nepal, and I'm going to present about the possibility of phone call and SMS learning continuity in COVID context of Nepal. School education structure in Nepal in the 1 year early child development and education, and the basic education up to grade 8, 4 years secondary education up to grade 12, and free and compulsory education up to grade 8, and the more than 35,000 schools offering school education, and the 81% are community school and other are institutional schools. The education system of the country adversely affected by the COVID. The more than 70 million children are deprived from learning last year till this year also. And the grade 12 examination halted, and the more than 5 million students were bound to lose their own academic year. The grade 12 examination has been postponed even this year also, and the uncertain till now due to the COVID context. And the academic year was extended for 2 months last year, but it is uncertain this year what will be in the coming days. Most of the institutional school delivered online class, but what is the many community schools are not able to conduct online class. And the alternative modes of evaluation adopted in grade 10 raises the issue of fairness and reliability. So many effort and alternatives were applied, but it is very difficult to reach with all children. On the means of the alternatives online, radio and TV, and the toll mean the learning center in the community, and the schooling at home. Some online learning portal have developed, and the YouTube channel, and the closed user group SIM card for public school student and teacher. But there are so many challenges in the radio. In case of radio access, the broadcasting time, quality, and monitoring. The TV and the access, and the online access to internet device, quality, infrastructure, teacher preparedness, and the many things. The e-learning portal and YouTube channel, also the issue of the internet and device access. Toll in the learning center in the community, in the schooling at home, is that the risk of the COVID infection, and the teacher preparedness and the things. In the research conducted in the last year, 66% students had no access to radio, FM, TV, computer, internet, and mobile. So the reaching the student with the alternative learnings, it is difficult. So then what would be the option to connect all children? The option could be the phone call and SMS. The huge impact of school closure is learning loss. So to minimize the learning loss, the phone call and SMS will definitely support to gain the learning loss. And how it be possible to conduct? And the more than 96% household have access to mobile phone. So one teacher can call the student twice a week and talk at least 15 minutes. Or in the number of students can be determined. During the period of 15 minutes, the teachers may ask the student about learning difficulty, provide the support to learning, share the main idea, share the reference material, resources, and ask the student to what they are doing as a self-learning and the other means of learning. Similarly, the teacher can send this message to the mobile, and the students for upper grades for the students and lower grades to the parents. It can provide some learning tips and direction. The assignment and question can be sent. The student can respond to the teacher, and the teacher can monitor the student progress through the SMS and phone calls also. The radio, TV broadcasting schedule can be sent through the SMS, and then after then teacher can call students, have a listen radio, then ask the question by following the radio lesson. The teacher can inform the student about the phone call time from the SMS. And there is the one provision, closed user group SIM card, CUG called Pathshala SIM, and the Nepal Telecommunication and Government of Nepal collaborate. And then SIM card available to the student grade 4 to 12. The entire cost is borne by the government. Then through this SIM card, unlimited voice call and unlimited bulk SMS is there. So the teacher can call the students, and the student can call the teacher, can send the SMS, and they can communicate each other. And there is through the phone call, they can use the conference or group call. I mean, then the teacher can call 4 students at a single time, and this will reduce the call time of the teacher, and can connect more number of students at once, and the student can interact. This is the supportive way to reduce the teacher problem to call the students. In the teacher preparation, teacher some kind of communication skills, and the teacher collaboration, the teacher support and motivation is important parts of the to continue the phone call, teaching through the phone call and SMS. Then through the collaboration, the teacher can do this. There is some practices. The one teacher from the Kathmandu wrote the status about the starting the phone call, and from the western part of the teacher, they send the picture about the phone call in the grade. Similarly, there are so many materials were developed, and the online orientation about the phone call and the CUG SIM card of the teacher, and the script for phone call are developed. Teaching materials. Zoom online orientation conducted for more than 1,000 people at a time. I single orient the more than 3,000 teachers. The individual school Zoom meeting in the 3 schools I have conducted, and the distribution of CUG Pathshala SIM to the students and teacher is going on. Then the sample materials are prepared by teacher, and it can be used in as example. The script of the phone call. This is the teacher part, and this is the student's part. There may be some interaction with the teacher and student. This is the mathematics lesson. This is the English lesson for the grade lower grade, and the English lesson for the grade 7. And the phone communication between teacher and students can be going on through this. Then in the conclusion, learning continuity is the crucial factor, and the adopted strategy are not able to connect all the students in learning, so need to go other alternatives like phone. This is the most accessible means. The teacher and students and school can be connected through phone call and SMS. The point is not how much learning occurs and how will be the effective, but it is definitely support the learning in the time of crisis, and through it, the teacher and student and school can be connected, and it support to reduce the learning losses, and it can be effective if blended mode is applied, like radio, television, and the other things go in the phone and SMS. Then it will be more effective. Thank you.